Good morning, Miss and classmate. My name is Ronnie, and this is my friend Luis.
Today we're going to talk about our most beloved possession. If it's not a phone, a computer, or something expensive. Instead, it's an automatic recycling prototype that we create at UCL University during the interactive project course.
This project is very special to us because it represents our effort, creativity, teamwork, and everything we learned during the university studies.
We're excited to share this story with you and explain why it has become our most valuable possession.
Luis, would you like to know more about it?
Of course, first, could you tell us what a prototype like?
Certainly. Let me describe it. The prototype is from a transparent plastic container and several electronic components. It includes LED lights, a screen, a sensor, a button, also an automatic detection system for the recycled materials.
So, you mean the sensor automatically detects recycled objects?
Exactly. When someone places a recycled object inside a container, the sensor detects it and sends the information to the screen. Also, the LED light indicates that the machine is working correctly.
Really? That's interesting. When did you build this prototype?
We built it last year during the Integrity Project course of SILT. The first the project was challenging because we have learned about electronic programming automation.
Could you tell us now how the recycling system works?
Of course, the sensor identifies the recycled material and activities the system, then the information is displayed on the screen.
Have you ever participated in a project like this before?
No, I have never created an automated machine before. This was my first experience with a project of this type.
Wow, your first experience.
Yes, my first experience, that's why it is so meaningful to me.
While you were building the prototype, did you face any difficulties?
Yes, while we were building the prototype, we found several technician problems. At one point, while disassembling the electronic components, was problem with the sensor. However, we worked together and solved it every time.
Fortunately, we finished the project successfully. Since then, we have kept the prototype in a safe place.
That's right. We have it for more than a year, and we have never stopped appreciating this value.
Have you improved the prototype yet?
Yes, we have already new components and tested different functions. However, there are still improvements that we would like to make
Why is this your most valuable possession?
because it represents much more than a project. It reflects the knowledge, the dedication, teamwork, and innovation. In my opinion, it's one of the most important achievements of my university life.
I completely agree. We have already shown it to our friends, classmates, and family members, and they were very impressed.
In the future, I would like to improve the system by adding more sensors, increasing its capacity and connection, maybe it a mobile application.
That's so great. Do you know why projects like this are important for society?
Yes, they help promote the environment awareness, encourage people to recycle the responsibility.
Okay. What would happen if you lost the prototype?
I would feel very sad because it represented many months of hard work.
That's understandable.
However, I will try to rebuild it using the experience and knowledge that I gained.
At least you would still have the skills, memories, and lessons learned from creating it.
Exactly. That's why this prototype will always be special to me.
To conclude, our automated recycling prototype is our most valuable possession because it represents innovation, teamwork, learning, and environmental responsibility.
This project has taught us that with dedication and effort, we can create solutions that have a positive impact on the society and the environment.
We hope you enjoyed learning about our project and understanding why it is so important to us.
Thank you very much, Miss and classmates, for your time and attention.
Thank you, Miss and classmates, for listening to our presentation.